guys, welcome to this weekend of my life vlog. I am only gonna be vlogging like 2 or 3 days because lately I've been vlogging like 5 and it's too much. We're gonna go pick up some frames, do some more house shopping. I'm gonna set up my office like a ton in this vlog and just do a lot of home updates. I got a new couch, my Mona Lisa came in. We finally got a washer and dryer too, so thank God. So yeah, subscribe if you guys are new here. She's so beautiful. Hey Mona girl, what's up?
They had to have used Facetune.
Oh yeah, her nose contour. Okay guys, so I got a print from Society 6 and I wanted to see, because the frames was a lot more expensive and I kind of wanted to get my own frame, but I was also trying to save money, but I don't know if that was actually a good idea, so I'll let you guys know. We're going to TJ Maxx because Joe is the king of frames. That was nice of you, wasn't it?
Thank you.
Yeah, we're working on nice things. So he said that TJ Maxx is the best place to go, which I used to, my mom's an interior designer, so I used to like go to this stuff all the time when I was younger. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you that we have a washer and dryer? Guys, they have a nothing bundt cakes here. I had no, okay, yep, I had no idea. We are going, I almost said Trader Joe's, TJ Maxx. Oh, I need to go to Trader Joe's too. I always need to go to Trader Joe's. I really want a nothing but cake, Joe. Just a mini one, they're so good. Maybe they have a vegan one. Guys, if I wasn't already so insane with Coconut, like, is this not the funniest dog buddy I've ever seen, especially in my office? Honestly, I'm probably gonna look these up online and maybe go on Amazon. Gosh, it's so funny. Aw, this is so beautiful. Thank you. Oh, Joe! I got the red velvet nothing bundt cake. Joe has never had these before. Comment down below if you have. These are the best cakes you'll ever have. Like, oh my gosh, it's the best thing ever. Update, guys. Today was a really good day. All because I woke up really early and then I got to a coffee shop by like 7 before school and I had a great time at a coffee shop by myself and it was just amazing. Great day at school, love today. So at TJ Maxx, they did have a lot of stuff but they didn't have a frame, which sucks. Also forgot I got my favorite cake ever. So I think we're gonna go to Target and see if they have frames. I really need a frame. It's really important, you know what I mean? Nothing but cakes, please sponsor me, please. It's Joe, he's getting gas. We're back at Target.
Back at Target. Welcome to Target, everyone. We'll have the link down below.
It's this new place.
Yeah.
Just opened up.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. We got our sandwiches. So I got this frame. Okay, the issue is that mine is 21 by 28, not 22 by 28. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. I'm really impatient and I just really wanted this up today. So let's go fix it. Oh my gosh, I haven't even showed you my couch, hold on. So the lighting is not amazing, but I got this couch. Oh yeah, you can see it pretty well. It's a blue velvet tufted couch, exactly what I wanted. Hey girly, which is gonna look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited for this. It just looks so great. Everything is just tied together so well. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So last night we just had some people over and we just chilled and now it's Saturday morning. I just showered and I did my makeup. I'm going to make breakfast. Zach and Hannah slept over. I basically decided that I'm just gonna like get everything in order today. I thought I was gonna film, but I think it would be better to get everything in order today and then film everything tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm literally so excited to have everything just like fixed. It's gonna be amazing. Lately, I've been obsessed with steel cut oats. It's like my favorite thing. Joe's FaceTiming me from his room. This is ridiculous. I just made some steel cut oats with almond butter, chia seeds, blueberries, apples. It's really good once you mix it all together. I'm on my couch, which you guys can see the color much better. It looks like dirtier on camera. This camera is just, it's weird, but it just looks so dope. So I have my breakfast, my coffee, my laptop. Anyways, I'm in my office now. I have my nice breakfast. And then also Shiley, she's so sweet, recreated my Instagram, so you guys should all go comment on the video and like it and say that I sent you. I'm gonna start organizing this. It looks like, oh yeah, it looks horrible. So that's that. So here's the update. This is not how it's going to look, but I just wanted it to be more organized so I can like figure out what I want to do. I can't. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've even vlogged this yet, but yeah, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. We gotta finish this today, so it's gonna look really, really cute. I love the Santa hat right there. Just ignore that. Like, it's fine, it's fine. Here is the update. So I threw the boxes away finally. This is more organized. It's not gonna look like this at all. It's gonna be much cuter. But yeah, I'm gonna finish that. I need to get rid of that Santa hat. It is so cold in LA, so I'm just wearing this jacket like every second I can. My couch is beautiful. This needs to be organized. I'm probably gonna make this some sort of gallery wall slash put like a whiteboard thing up so I can just have something for my office because I'm such a visual person. Like I need something just like written out. And yeah, so I need to get like another chair and a coffee table and a rug for over here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, we're about to go to the hardware store and get like a hose for the washer and dryer because we don't have one of those. And then I'll finally have my clothes back. At the hardware store. This is just so fun. Back in the kitchen making some vegan pancakes, or vegan waffles I mean. If you guys want to know how to make these, I made them in my weekend morning routine, so I'll have that link down below. But yeah, it's really good. Having a meeting in my office, I brought Joe in. I feel like I'm about to like lecture you and you're about to get expelled or suspended.
I didn't do it.
So wild Friday night here. I have just been video planning for quite some time. Our washer is working, but our dryer isn't, and I need to do my laundry so bad. But if there's something weird going on, we need to get like a different screw. We've already gone to the hardware store twice today. So that's gonna have to, we'll figure it out. It just sucks. I'm gonna make some coffee because Joe and I are going to a Connect group. Hey Zach, you haven't even been in the vlog yet.
Hey.
Look at my favorite best friend who always does everything I ask him to. And is also the only person who knows how to do anything that I need him to do. So, I'm gonna make some coffee. I feel like half of my mugs are just not here anymore. It's now like 11 p.m. We are back home and working on my fireplace and listening to Casey Musgraves. She also released 2 new songs today. Amazing.
Yeah, Space Cowboy.
Space Cowboy is our favorite. So we're in the middle of doing this. I'm gonna link down below where I got these tiles. How's it?
That looks kind of weird.
Yeah, that way. So basically this is like sticker backsplash. I mean, it's made for it. I'll show you.
But it's like textured.
Yeah, it's textured, so it's really cool. Backsplash tile peel and stick, so it's removable. But yeah, it's like actually, I don't know how you can. It looks, it's like raised, so it's really cool. Also, guys, these are the best chips. Thank you, Beauty Guru. It's not even focusing. Oh, my favorite Beauty Guru.
These are the spicy sweet chili.
They're the best
Purple
chips
bag of Doritos
ever.
Vegan.
So good. Me and my favorite chips. Joe's chips.
There's a clip in the Selena movie where her sister Susie's like, don't eat these chips, and then her sister walks in, or her brother walks in, and she's like, what are you doing? Or he's like, what are you doing? She's like, eating Susie's chips. And it's Doritos, I think, actually.
Wow, it looks so much better and just so good, especially with that. I'm so happy. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah.
This looks so cute. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday now. It is 8 a.m. I didn't go to bed until like 2:30 last night, which is very late for me because I like going to bed early. I wanted to switch up my routine and like go read and do something outside of my house. So I'm driving to a lookout on like Mulholland or something, and I'm gonna do my Devo there. I feel like it's gonna be a nice change of pace, very pretty, you know, just doing something different. Today is a work day, so I'm going to be doing a lot of work. What happens on a work day? I have like an actual coffee mug. I was just not getting ready this morning at all. I was just like, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna show you guys a mini drive with me of my new favorite playlist. My friend sent this to me and it's literally my favorite playlist ever. It is so beautiful, and like the drive here, there's a guy walking past my car staring at me. I'm gonna wait to talk. Oh, there's another guy coming. Anyways, I just don't care. It is beautiful, and the drive here is beautiful, and I literally am like about to cry because I just love my life so much, and I love you guys so much, and I just love everything so much. Just gonna pause really quick. I have this like random thought. Like, if you would have told me when I moved to LA, like what I would end up doing and like where I would actually be now, like the school that I would be at and stuff, one, I would have never believed you, and two, I would have like thought that I would have hated my life. But by like kind of just like surrendering and being like, okay, whatever, listening to like what I think I'm supposed to do and everything, best decision ever. Like, moving out, especially when you're like young, you think you know everything and you're so stubborn, and you're like I was, at least, always thinking that you know what you're talking about. It's like, you don't know anything, you're 17, you know. I moved out really young, but my point is that like I'm just really glad that like my plans weren't the plans that worked out. I mean, it's not that they didn't work out, I kind of just chose something else. I don't know, it's like, I know this is fake, but my point is that having like a change in your plans and changing like your heart and what you really want and everything is like totally okay. And it's even hard for me now to be like, is that okay? Like, I don't know. But basically, I'm just saying that I'm really, really, really happy now, and I'm happier than I have ever been in LA. I don't know, things have just changed so much, and I just am in such a good place, and I'm so happy, and I'm just so like, I love what I'm doing and involved with and stuff. This is vague, it doesn't make any sense. My point is that if your plans change, it's okay, and a lot of the time if your plans change, it ends up better. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and read. I'll show you guys the view. I have my cute little mug. Okay, I just finished. That was so incredible. It was beautiful, and like barely anyone was there, and it was just so calming, and I feel so good, and I'm so excited to start my day. So I'm gonna continue on with the drive with me portion because I didn't film that much because the lighting was bad and I didn't like it. What's new?
Hands on her shoulders. It's alright, babe. I don't know. Jesus, I need you. Show me who I am.
So I am about to get started with filming. I have it set up. I'm trying out a new setup on my couch, but look at how beautiful this is. So I actually got this on like a Facebook market, so I don't know where it's from. My wallpaper is always linked down below, just so you guys know. It is so cool, and it's like a family-owned business, and they're so awesome. So that's also linked down below, like it's always in my description. I'm gonna have that linked down below as well, how I did like the tiles and everything, and then that is Society 6. But I love it so far. Comment down below what you guys think I should do here. This is moving, but this is gonna be like a seating area. I want a rug. What kind of rug should I get? Just let me know. It's just like very, like the office is just very fun. Like it's really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm basically just filming all day, and yeah, it's just, what's the point? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, any of the office updates, I'm gonna have it linked down below. Thanks, Joe. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you soon. Bye.